Oh Lord, my God, when I'm in awesome wonder, consider all the works thy hands have made. Oh Lord, my God. So you're welcome to this tutorial on how to play this song. First of all, we're going to run the keys that are needed for this song. We are going to play this song first of all in the key of A, so that you see the finger placement well. This song we are going to play it the key of A. So we need A, we need D, and then we need E. That's all. That's all. Simple. Oh Lord, my God, when I'm in some wonder, consider all the works thy hands have made. See that? I see the stars, I hear the rolling thunder, thy path throughout the universe display. This is how to get used to the movement. It's one system that makes you to master, the movement. You'll be playing like you are not playing, but you're actually playing. Oh Lord, my God. And then you are listening to it, Oh Lord, my God, when I'm in awesome wonder, consider all the works thy hands have made. I see the stars, I hear the rolling thunder, thy path throughout the universe display. There sings my soul, my Savior God, to thee. How great thou art, how great thou art. Then sings my soul, my Savior God, to thee. How great thou art, how great thou art. That's all. So now we are going to pick this song, and we are going to, first of all, find out what is the beat. How many beats are there in the measure? Let's try this. Oh Lord, my God, when I'm in awesome 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. So it's 4/4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh Lord, my God, when I'm in awesome wonder, consider all the works thy hands have made. You see, now we are now trying to follow the beat, whereas that first exercise that we made of oh Lord, my God, when I'm in awesome wonder, is to ensure that we are playing the right key. You get that? That first exercise is to ensure that we are getting the right key. So we simply go this way. And then that we begin to understand when to change. Then we do, oh Lord, my God, when I'm in awesome wonder. So we are going to change in wonder. That this particular exercise helps us to know when to change. Helps us to know when to change. So this second exercise now is to help us to keep to the beat. Oh Lord my God, when I'm in awesome wonder, consider all the works thy hands have made. I see the stars, I hear the rolling thunder, thy path throughout the universe display. Then sings my soul, my Savior God to thee. How great thou art, how great thou art. Then sings my soul, my Savior God to thee. How great thou art, how great thou art. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. Now the third process is to go into the picking now. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now for the picking, we'll now look at the whole now. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 4. 4 beat. And it's A. D. A. E. A. So these are the keys, the only keys we'll be needing. These are the only keys we'll be needing. These 3 keys. So let's drill ourselves on the keys we'll be needing so that by the time we start applying them, it becomes easier. So we go with A. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. D. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Back to A. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we go to E. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Back to A. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's make it a bit faster. You see what is guiding? You see the tapping. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. As we always say, picking is all about timing. So timing is part of the secret. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So sometimes by simply changing the tapping you are doing can influence the rhythm. And sometimes when you want to slow down yourself, sometimes you start slowing yourself from the tapping. 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. D. A. E. back to A. You see the tapping rate increased. You see the tapping increased. Two, three, four. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So now we try to combine the song. We try to combine the song, and you can follow the position of the keys is put there on the screen. And then here, since our concentration is on picking, we're going to pay attention to the picking. So the first stanza, we'll sing it slowly, as slow as we can. Then we just increase the speed as we get into the mood of the song, and as we master the placement of the finger. Don't rush. Don't rush. Okay, let's go. One thing is knowing at what count the first word appears. Or is on the second count. Oh Lord my, oh Lord my, oh Lord my. So you are going to play there, but without singing. Then at the second beat, then you start, oh Lord my. That is when you are playing there. So tap, no singing. Then 1. Oh Lord my God. Oh Lord my 1. Oh Lord my 1. Oh Lord my tap. 1, 2, 3. Tap. 1, 2, 3. Tap. 1, 2, 3. Oh Lord my God, when I'm in on song D, wonder, consider. Now back to A. Oh, there. Now go to E. Walks thy hands have. Then back to A. Oh, I see the stars, I hear the rolling D. Thunder, thy path through. Back to A. Out the inner universe display. Every word is assigned to a pick. At first, it looks complicated because it looks like it makes you very conscious. Now, which word am I? No, it's just to be conscious. If not, this thing comes automatically because the song is already arranged. It's just to bring to our awareness. Please do not see it complicated. Do not see it complicated and do not feel it complicated. Oh Lord my God, when I'm in awesome wonder, consider all the works thy hands have made. I see the stars, I hear the rolling thunder, thy path throughout the universe display. You see, where there's no word and you are playing, that is now the beauty of picking. Then sings my soul. You see, I'm not singing, no word, but this one will come in. So that's what makes picking go into the heart, go into the soul, you know. Then sings my soul, my Savior God to thee. How great thou art, how great thou art. Then sings my soul, my Savior God to thee. How great thou art, how great thou art. Oh Lord my God, when I'm in awesome wonder, consider all the works thy hands have made. You see, just the tempo just increased, and all those countings are just falling in place. You don't even have to think about it, but it will just fall in place. Now let's try the stanza 2. When through the woods and forest glad I wander. Now let's go. When through the woods and forest glad I wander, and hear the birds